The wolf, the pipe. While a kid was grazing on grass one day, he became lost. Ba, ba. Friends, friends, where are you, ba? Hearing this, a nearby wolf quickly ran to the kid with his lips smacking. Ha ha ha, now doesn't he look tasty? The kid was so shocked and scared that he fell on his bum. Just a second, Mr. Wolf. Before you eat me, I have one wish, said the kid to the very hungry and self-eating wolf. I would like to dance just one last time. If you could just play the pipe, then I can dance my last dance. No problem. I can grant you that wish. He he he. So the wolf started to play the pipe to celebrate his new meal. Soon after he started to play, they could hear barking sounds from dogs. Bad, bad wolf, you better keep your paws off the kid. The kid's protector heard the sound of the pipe and rushed over immediately. The wolf suddenly saw the dog approaching. He threw the pipe and ran for his life. Instead of playing the pipe, I should eaten the kid right away. What was I thinking?